Hello, Chell here with Prismatic Powders. You know, I've seen a lot of YouTube videos showing people using a heat gun to cure powder coating, and I have a problem with that. And the problem is, with the heat gun method, it's not actually curing powder at all, it's just melting it, and there's a huge difference between the two. Curing is going to achieve all the benefits and performance attributes that powder was designed for, while a heat gun at best is simply going to give you the look. But as long as you know that, then there are some pretty good use cases for a heat gun, because sometimes the look is all you need. A heat gun is a quick and easy way to melt powder, so if you don't have an oven for curing, it'll get the job done, just as long as you're not too particular. Hobbyists use them all the time to melt powder on things like fishing lures or other small parts, and it works great for this. And we've got thousands of vibrant colors for this kind of application. A heat gun can also be useful to flow out powder on parts that really can't take the cure attempts needed for a full cure, like plastic. Center caps on wheels, for example. These are typically made of plastic, and so they can't sit in the oven for very long, but if you're careful with a heat gun, they can get the job done pretty quick. And it's useful if you need to match them to a color on a wheel or just customize them. You just need to be really careful not to deform them and know that the finish is not always going to be perfect, but it will be more durable than spray paint. So one of the best uses I've seen for melting powder with a heat gun is using it to repair deep scratches and gouges on powder coated surfaces. You just fill in the affected area and release the heat. This would be a great way to mend something that just needs a little field repair, like some deeper scratches on an off-road bumper or railing where you just can't tear the whole thing apart, but you need to protect the exposed metal from corrosion. Again, it'll be better than spray paint. Now the bottom line is this: using a heat gun will melt powder, and it does have some uses, but it is not cured, and you simply won't get the protection and may not get the look of properly applied and cured powder coating. Now that's it for this video. If you have a creative way that you use a heat gun on your powder coating projects, feel free to drop it in the comments below. Until the next video, thanks for watching, and we'll see you.